The Lankeleisi XT750 folding e-bike is a versatile and high-performance electric bicycle designed for riders who value convenience, power, and comfort. Built with a 6061 aluminum alloy full suspension frame, this bike combines durability with a lightweight design, making it easy to transport and store. Its folding feature adds to its practicality, allowing you to take it on public transport or store it in compact spaces. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring off-road trails, the XT750 delivers a smooth and reliable ride. At the heart of the XT750 is a 500W high-speed brushless motor, powered by a 48V 12.8Ah lithium battery. This motor provides excellent torque and efficiency, ensuring a top speed of up to 45 km per hour in pure electric mode and a range of 110 km in pedal assist mode. The motor's star gear design amplifies torque, improves energy efficiency, and reduces power consumption, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The integrated battery is IP54 waterproof and dustproof, ensuring reliable performance in various weather conditions. The XT750 features 26x 2.35-inch Kinda tires, designed to provide excellent traction and stability on diverse terrains. These wide, non-slip tires are perfect for navigating bumpy dirt roads, speed bumps, and uneven surfaces, offering a smooth and comfortable ride. The bike's aluminum alloy lockable oil spring suspension fork and Softail rear oil spring suspension system work together to absorb shocks and bumps, enhancing ride comfort and control on rough or uneven roads. Safety and control are prioritized with the XT750's Diasland hydraulic disc brakes, which deliver reliable and precise stopping power in all conditions. The front and rear dual-disc brake system ensures fast heat dissipation and effective braking, even during emergencies. The bike's ergonomic design, including an adjustable saddle and handlebars, ensures a comfortable riding position for cyclists between 165 to 190 centimeters in height. The XT750 is equipped with a 7-speed Shimano transmission system, offering smooth and precise gear shifts for optimal performance on various terrains. The bike also features an intelligent LCD display, providing real-time information on speed, battery level, and riding mode. The display's IP64 waterproof rating ensures durability and reliability in all weather conditions. Additional features of the XT750 include a sturdy rear rack, capable of carrying up to 200 kilograms, and a user-friendly folding mechanism for easy storage and transport. The bike's combination of power, comfort, and advanced features makes it a reliable and versatile choice for urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether you're tackling city streets, exploring off-road trails, or enjoying a leisurely ride, the Lankeleisi XT750 folding e-bike delivers an unmatched riding experience, blending performance, convenience, and safety into one exceptional e-bike.